now we gotta go our separate ways. I've been trapping all week, feel like I haven't slept in days. He ain't never learned his lesson, nigga stuck up in his ways. He gon' drown up in the water, tryna ride a nigga wave. I've been running through the streets, feel like I'll never be the same. Did it to myself, I guess I am the one to blame. Only wanted money, I forgot it came with fame.
What's good, YouTube? Instagram, dimple juice, post up. Close up to the cheeks, but no dimples. I think y'all staring.
Everybody.
Y'all throwing me off, man.
Alright, take two.
Nah, you good.
Nah, I'm good. So y'all, today we got all these snacks, as y'all can see, and we're gonna be trying all these exotic snacks, like from overseas.
Everybody want to introduce themselves first?
Oh yeah.
We start from that.
No, start from over there.
Okay.
We're gonna start over there.
Okay. My name is Fidel, but Del Mondo on all streaming platforms.
Yeah.
Check out the music.
Yeah, we're gonna cut that out. No free clout.
My name's Shakari. Shakari Collins.
Oh, there, babe.
And she do hair.
There we go. That's my sister. This is her boyfriend.
My name is Craig. Question on all platforms. Go screen that shit right now.
Nene, sister.
My sister. Her boyfriend. They're making this weird. They're really making this weird.
She does TikTok.
Y'all never caught it. They never caught it in front of cameras. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little nervous. I was a little weirded out too.
My name is Toya. I'm the mother of this whole thing. I started this.
Hold on, wait. Just us. This would be nasty. The whole thing would be nasty.
I started this. Long line of this. I'm never scared to talk in front of a camera. Been performing all my life.
Yeah. Anywho, what y'all want to eat first?
Ain't it? I'm ready.
I think we should start with sweets first.
Sweets first?
I think we should do
Nah,
snacks first.
I think we go chips first.
Okay.
Like the steak chips first. Open this up. Get a little pinch of chips out of it. One chip, however many chips you want to try it out, I guess.
These are the chips we trying. The steak.
Go around and
chips.
smell it.
That smell like regular chips.
Steak chips.
But you can smell the beef in
I
there.
don't smell it.
You can
That's
smell
because
like
you
a
don't
regular
eat
chip.
beef.
Alright, go ahead, Ma. You can grab you some.
Or later, sorry.
Only or exotic LA.
Okay.
Oh, wait!
Sponsor this video.
We're all at the same time. Calm down.
Chris, I know I'm a lucky.
Alright, try. Will?
Alrighty.
My cousin Will behind the camera. He holding our son.
We got the camera guy.
Alright, so everybody on 3. Bro, you about to eat it, bro.
It smell like regular.
Bro, you can't follow simple instructions.
Alright.
God.
Go.
2, 1.
Motherfucker.
Come
You
on,
ain't
man.
gonna eat that chip. If you ain't gonna eat that chip, you ain't gonna
Hey,
I
I ain't gonna lie to you
10
good.
out of 10.
eat that.
I don't taste steak.
You want to try? You want to try them again?
Nah, I'm gonna say
Anybody want
good.
to
Try on. What's
You
next?
like
Hey,
I
wait,
rate
wait.
7.
Yeah, what y'all rate? What would y'all rate
I
it?
said 10.
Really?
I said 10 for me.
It's about a good.
It's a
I'm
decent.
5.5 to a
I'm gonna
6.
say a 4.
I'm gonna give it a
It's
9
a
and a
different,
half.
very
I'm saying
good.
eight.
Will.
Damn.
Alright, y'all, we got the steak
For sure.
bugles.
For sure.
Next that we're gonna try.
Alright, open it up.
And here we only get ranch, plain, and cheddar.
Yeah.
Nacho.
Oh.
Is it cheddar?
It's not bad.
Oh, I
It's
said
a, they got a lot of areas that
Yeah. Go ahead and give it a little sniff.
them just look real plain.
Oh, we have the caramel bugles too. Those are busted.
Caramel.
He does too. He look plain too.
Yeah.
It smells
so.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
-2.
What?
-2.
They don't even taste like nothing.
-2.
They taste like original bugle.
Yeah.
They don't taste like nothing.
That's exactly what it tastes like. Regular bugles.
I spit them more.
I knew it based off the smell.
I don't like
and
the
look.
texture.
Let me get one more. You don't like texture?
I don't like the texture.
It don't taste bad, but it just don't really
It's
taste
not
like
bad,
that.
but the texture.
Anybody else
You
want to try them
like
I
again?
don't like the texture. It's good. I give it a 4.
What you give it, Ma?
But the aftertaste.
I don't know. I haven't had none of these
Taste
like
them. I got COVID or something. I didn't taste them. It's
She said she got COVID.
There's no flavor.
About a 4 too. Don't give
I
it
like it with a 4.
-2.
It ain't
I'm
good.
just saying the bag
I'm
says
gonna give it a
bugles
0.
and the bag also says Cheetos. I seen that.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. It does, yeah.
So it must
But they
be-
showing a steak at the
What in the
bottom.
world?
Show the camera.
I'm confused.
Is it Cheeto Factory?
What y'all rating it?
I said a 2.
0.
What you rating it?
Ah,
We can share.
Talking about as far as flavor or
Like just all around everything.
All around.
I gotta give it a 2.
I feel like 2 is the right answer.
Yeah, 2.
Say 2.
It could have been worse. That's why I give it a 4. So let's get into the Nibbit Cheeto. Nibbit right here.
Oh.
I hope it ain't like the vegan shit.
What the back say? That's what they look like.
That's exactly what it might be.
Hey, them
She hate Fruit Loops.
Really?
Mia hates
Cereal?
Fruit Loops. Yeah, she hates Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops on the bed.
Is it?
I haven't had Fruit Loops since I married her.
Everybody said, wow.
I haven't had Fruit Loops since I married
Is
her.
it how it leave the milk like it cloudy? Yeah.
I think she just don't like the flavor.
I mean, I used to eat them when I was little, and then
Maybe that's why you
I
ate
grew
too
out
much.
of them.
Not even apple
I don't
juice.
really care for noodles no more.
What about apple
What?
juice?
The camera had moved a little bit.
Hold on. That's
Oh.
Yeah.
I do that jelly.
I don't even want to try
Yeah,
that.
they do.
I smell it. I think I'm gonna
Alright,
lick
so
it.
it's like a white looking one, a red looking one, and
A yellow.
a yellow looking one. I'll go to the white one. Go to the white one. Do the white one.
I'm gonna
Alright.
try the white one.
White one first. 1, 2, 3.
Nothing.
This is like baby food.
Alright, do the yellow one. Do the yellow one. Go.
I just yawned.
I don't like the white one.
That
Nothing.
ain't it. I ain't even cheating.
Try the red one. Go.
It kind of tastes like baby strong.
I ain't gonna cut. They all kind of taste the same.
They
I think
taste
so,
like
too.
the veggie
They
shit.
do taste like. I think those probably are some veggie chips though. Well, I'm giving that about
I
a
ain't
3.5.
I say 1. 0.
I give it a 0.000. It was disgusting.
You just
I give it a 3.
I'm staying with 3. I'm good with 3.
I give it a 4.
Okay.
I'm gonna say a 10. No,
I'm
I'm just playing. I'm gonna say about a 2.
Texas grilled barbecue or the cumin lamb? Which one y'all wanna go first?
Cumin lamb.
Damn.
Oh, I forgot about those Pringles too.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to try them.
What flavor?
Those are chili lemon crab.
Oh,
Ooh.
That do
now those better butter.
They better be good.
I don't know why they be doing that.
Dang. Let me open it. I wasn't trying to pop the bag from the bottom.
Right.
That'd be the worst thing. Oh no.
Oh, really? I don't like the smell of that.
Oh, no, it ain't that
That's
bad.
killing.
Yeah, it ain't that bad. She might be tripping.
I smell it from here.
You don't like it?
It smells like dog food.
Oh,
No.
boy, you tripping?
Let me try again.
That's so good.
I see y'all tripping. It don't smell that bad. It don't smell the seasoning. You smell that seasoning.
That smell good.
You can smell it. If you think it's lamb, it's gonna smell. It smell like what you think it
It
is.
does.
It smells like burnt popcorn to me.
That's what I'm getting. Like,
Bruh,
I smell
you can
something.
smell it.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, hold up.
Hold on.
Hold on, whoa.
I don't like the aftertaste.
I taste like 3 different things. I taste like 3 different
What in the
things.
world?
It
At
tastes-
first, when it hit,
Taste
it's
some
nasty.
Hey,
Then
you
I
taste
taste the
it.
popcorn.
I taste a barbecue. I can taste popcorn.
Right, at first it tastes burnt. Then
It
I
tastes
taste the
good
popcorn.
first.
Then I taste like the what you
But
said,
see,
lamb.
on the back end.
I taste that at the
It
end.
got a little heat to it.
It got a kick.
It do taste a little
It's got
spicy.
some heat to it.
Hold on, give me another
Toward
one.
the end.
Give me another one.
Yeah, small. I guess I
I'm about
tried.
to eat another.
Yeah,
You
because
ever
that
smell?
flavor confusing.
You ever smelled like a blood mattress?
This one I just ate. I
A
just
blow up
want meat.
mattress.
You said that.
Have you ever smelled one?
Like, you know what it smell like?
When the air coming out.
Yeah, that's what it.
It
It don't taste like how it smells.
I give them a 5. I give them a 5.
They straight.
They
I give that
play,
a 4.
you know. They
I only
play.
like the heat.
They play.
They
Yeah.
play. They play me.
They play me hard.
I thought they were finna be like them first
It's
shits.
like the flavor was changing as I was eating.
It was. The flavor was changed. I was eating.
Yeah, aftertaste not
Bro,
that
it was
good.
smelling the bag.
Ratings, Will.
4.
For them.
I give it a 4.
Car.
1.
A 3.
They bad, but I
You
keep
go 4.
I do a 4 because I've been doing low ratings. I do a 4.
They taste something new.
7.5.
She tastes something new every time. I'm gonna say 4, but the seasoning on those are way better.
Yeah,
They good.
I agree.
Most definitely.
I'm gonna take it.
So let's
Yes.
go. Y'all wanna go Texas Grill Barbecue?
Yup.
Right.
Let's do it.
Chips smell the same. I ain't gonna lie.
Grab one as you smell it. So,
Oh, so grab it as you smell it.
yeah.
I'm back. I'm gonna be disappointed with this. I don't smell nothing really.
That's what I said. It smell like a bag. That's what it
See,
smells
if it
like.
don't smell like nothing, then that probably mean it might lack
It might be
flavor.
good though.
I smell like
a little.
a teriyaki barbecue type flavor.
Yeah, you smell
I
it?
smell a little.
Be smelling.
I said, that boy Will he got a smell.
I smell that.
All right, y'all. We about to try the Texas Grill Barbecue flavor. He ate it.
3, 2, 1, go.
I ain't gonna lie. It's good.
I like that.
It's just good.
I like that.
That's a decent flavor.
Yeah, I like that. I ain't gonna lie, I like
Bro,
it.
that dropped on the floor.
I mean, I say it's not giving that much barbecue, but it's a good flavor.
It's not.
I get the
It's not-
barbecue.
it's not that
I
much
get the barbecue,
It's good.
but it should have more kick to it. Like.
Yeah.
That's like
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna give that a 7.
They gotta put them in the stove.
I give that a 7.
that's a 7 because it played. I thought it was gonna be a little
They
better.
had
than
chips
that.
at that store y'all went to?
Yeah.
Nah, they ain't had shit.
They just had like the Oreos and like
Oreos and drinks.
Skittles.
7.
I'm gonna give it
I'm
a
gonna
7.
give
8
it
months.
I give it a 7.
7.
It wasn't no
I'll
real
give it a
surprise.
7. 7.2.
I'm gonna say.
Alright. What you get,
I
Carl?
like it. I'm gonna say 9.
That's high. You said 8. That's pretty high. What you said?
7. Solid.
9.5. Okay, that's pretty solid. Yeah, that was.
I
it
give
was-
it an 8. I give it an 8.
That was definitely better than all the chips we all tried so far, right?
definitely.
Okay.
Let's do some
Let's
sweet.
get it off with both of them since they both are
All right.
hot.
Cause that's because we're gonna get into these sweets now.
Okay.
Peach, all right, so we got peach Oreos.
They do peach.
We got pomegranate Oreos. We got ice cream Oreos.
Hey, let's try them first. Let's try them first.
And we got cinnamon. I think
That's gonna be the best one.
What, cinnamon?
This is definitely gonna be. I smell peach. I ain't gonna lie. I smell that peach.
Ooh, that's
You can't go wrong with
You
Oreos.
think it's gonna taste peachy?
Ooh, that's peachy. That smell like a peach ring.
Yeah, I was just finna say that.
Ooh.
I think it's gonna be good.
I ain't gonna like it.
I love
peach
peaches.
ring.
I don't like it.
I think this one.
It smells good. It
I want
gotta
a
be
peach ring
good.
now.
Open it up and eat the cream out and then eat the cookie part.
Nah,
But I feel like we gotta
think
eat it
like,
together.
Let the cream go wherever.
I'm just gonna eat it.
I'm waiting.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
That's all.
Yeah.
That's it.
I don't
That's
think so.
right. Right here. Yeah, you're right.
Nah.
This ain't
It tastes like two. It tastes like one peach ring in between 2 Oreo cookies.
I don't
That's
think
all
I
it
can
tastes
eat
like.
a whole pack of these though.
I don't
would,
like this.
but it's
It's
good.
giving
though.
peach Ciroc.
Bad memories.
No,
Bad
I like
memories.
some.
I ain't gonna lie. I like this.
Try look.
Come on,
like
man.
drink.
Say hey to you.
You're on the
good.
camera.
Man, say hey, girl. Man.
The cream.
They say can they have one?
Who, the same DJ?
They can-
Come here, the same DJ.
Amsterdam.
It do got a little.
How I said?
I told y'all peach
Y'all got a little
Ciroc.
alcohol taste for Charles. I ain't get that.
You didn't get it?
No, I'm mad now.
Dang, y'all drink too much
The
probably.
sign is.
That what that mean. I think we drank too much.
I'm mad now.
Look, say it to YouTube.
Hey, Nanny.
Try it. Try it on camera. Try it. Eat it.
DJ, be honest. Do you like it?
It's quality.
You like it or is it good?
I smell those.
What you think, Sonny? You like it or you don't like
Those
it?
too.
I like it.
Alright.
Okay.
All right, ratings.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
I give it an 8 too.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
I'm gonna say 6.
I gotta go 1.
I gotta give it a 2.
I gotta give it a 0.
You said it was good.
Yeah, but that aftertaste is nah.
I'm gonna give it an 8. That peach flavor, the peach flavor wasn't bad. And once I got to thinking that it was like Ciroc or the Amsterdam, it made it even kind of feel a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie. It made me feel like, man, this really does taste like that. I like this.
I give it a 10 because I like peaches and it tastes good to me.
You gave it a 10.
It's
Will, what you said you gave it?
I give it an 8.
Okay. Alright, so pomegranate thin
But they
Oreo.
good.
I'm more of a
I
golden
heard.
Oreo. Or if I do a
I like
chocolate
golden
Oreo, it would have to
Oreos.
be in a blizzard.
Birthday.
God, I ain't gonna lie. We probably can get somebody this because they thin. It's probably more, I think. Oh, my bad.
Y'all, are you doing? Yeah, one on crack open.
I want thin.
Here Here, take that.
It smells like a graham cracker.
Teddy graham.
I feel like I don't smell
You
it.
grab everybody?
Everybody.
Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I don't taste nothing.
Them ain't that.
It's not Atlanta.
What that napkin that you talked about?
I feel like we should have ate the cream because I feel like I don't taste the cream. I feel like
We just tried the pomegranate ones.
Zero.
I think, what you giving it?
I give it a 5.
Will?
I give it 1.
Car?
I give it a 1.
I'll say
I
5 because it
give
just tastes like. No, I just taste the Oreo cookie and it don't taste bad. I just couldn't taste.
Because I give it.
I'm gonna give it a 3 because I couldn't taste the cream part. But it was thin Oreos though, that's why.
Yeah.
I give it.
Okay.
I'll give it a 0.
0 and a
0. Stop wanting to say 10.
The ice cream Oreos.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
I
about.
don't know. It just says ice cream. It's purple though, yeah.
We gotta try the ice cream Oreo now.
You smell like the gummy Skittles.
It do. It smell like candy.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's not bad.
Wait, what's that?
Why is it
Y'all feel
15?
that? Y'all feel that?
It tastes medicinal.
Medium, it tastes like mini almost.
About to get high.
Why is it 15?
You taste that too?
Gas.
It tastes like mini. I taste that.
Yeah, at least a little.
I like it.
I don't like this. It smells like toothpaste. It do has a.
It got like a mint taste. It smells gummy.
I like that.
You talking about it's nasty, but I like it.
It tastes like I just swallowed some
B, I
toothpaste.
give it 11.
I don't like that.
Golly.
I like that 10.
Don't put this in your mouth, okay?
You like it.
I just
I
taste the
like
last.
it too.
I give it 9.5.
I give it a solid 6.
I'm gonna have to say a 4.
I give it a 9.
And I don't even know if I would even give it a 4 though.
You said 10.
10. I like that.
I like that.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
10.
Maybe
I like
6 and a half.
that one too. B, I like it too.
All these Oreos
B,
be
I like
disappointing.
it too.
For real.
I can guarantee these are going to be good.
These better be good.
They're from Canada. They're very nice people over there.
I
Yup.
get 2.
I smell it. Yeah.
Hold on. 1, go.
I ain't gonna lie, it's good, but I still got that mint in my mouth.
Me
Promise.
too.
You see it?
That's a 10. That's a 10.
It's so good.
It's really good, actually.
She ain't that good.
That's a 10. I really take
Hey, I gotta crack that one open.
Crack it open and eat that
I
ice
gotta
cream.
crack.
Alright, ratings, Will,
10.
Fidel,
Damn.
Car,
10.
back.
10.
Good.
I was
I was gonna say, yeah, I was gonna say.
10.
I'm gonna give that a 10. This thing good. These are lollipops, I think. Y'all wanna try these?
Yeah. You want to see?
Oh my god.
Well, on to the next one.
Okay, so orange, lemon, green apple, grape, and strawberry.
And banana.
No.
Oh, I thought that was banana.
Good. I'm gonna say banana.
3,
Grape.
2, 1, go.
And you ate it before you got it?
Wait, just jumping thing.
This tastes like a marshmallow Skittle.
Yeah. I'll snack on it.
That's good. What flavor is that?
I
had grape.
You had orange, didn't it?
I can do it out. I give it like a. I mean, it was taste-wise, it was good, but I don't like the texture. I can do
Just
it out.
marshmallow. You don't need marshmallows?
Not a lot. Gummy than marshmallow.
Yeah,
I give it a 6.
I like it.
I like it too. I'm gonna give it an 8, 8.5.
I gave it 10 for flavor. Yeah.
That flavor, it do pop though. The flavor do pop though.
I said 9.
Okay. Will, what you give it?
I give it an 8.
Okay. Y'all wanna try one of these drinks?
Yes.
What kind of drink y'all wanna try first?
Let's try that green Fanta.
Oh, y'all have
Will, whoever want to taste first, go ahead. Get ready.
So good, y'all.
Go ahead. Everybody taste it.
It's me.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, that's like a Jolly Rancher.
Got your 2 filters. I get the rest.
I can do it out.
Yeah,
That was good.
Because I was expecting.
Tastes like a green.
It didn't hit.
I feel like it is lacking a little flavor, but it is potential.
You can mix it with a crown apple.
Ooh, this alcohol.
And make
She
sure.
said, what can you mix it with?
Yeah. And like slushy like.
Yeah, that would be good, slushy.
No, Will, what you rating?
I give that 10.
Fidel?
I would give that a 3.
A 3? Car?
Dang.
I give it about a 9.
I'm gonna say a 7.
Becky?
I'm gonna say 10.
Thank you.
I mean, it could be a little more flavor.
I'll give it about a 9. 8. Nah, I'll give it about a 7.5.
But we got to finish it because they only have to put some more.
Oh, I give it about 10.
Oh, yeah,
Nay.
that's true. We do that finish.
8.
Ma, you gave it an 8?
Sure.
Well, we still got these little giant Skittles. I mean, these.
It
You
tastes like
say
something.
crazy sours. They don't even look sour, but we about to see.
Probably on the
Yeah,
inside.
it sounds like
I smell it.
Everybody go ahead.
Boy, look.
Eat it. You can eat. Go ahead.
It's not that sour though.
It's not good though.
And it kind of tastes like cars.
I love
Remember Skittles had gum?
I used to love sour Skittles.
Oh,
That's what
that's
it tastes like. It tastes like Skittles gum.
It's carrot juice.
Hell, a little sour. I ain't gonna lie.
It's not overpowering.
It's out
It's
big.
like a little sour.
it's a lot to chew. It feel like I
It
put a
is,
whole
yeah.
handful in my mouth or something.
And only 8-1. What you rating, though, Will? What you thought?
10.
I give it an 8.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
Car.
Come back to me. Let me try this one because I don't really care for the yellow one.
Babe.
I give it a 9. Yeah, I give it a 9.
That yellow one. Yeah.
What's that? Lemon?
10.
Give it 10.
Yeah.
You got a 10? Come on.
Go ahead.
Nah.
I'm gonna give about an 8.
I do like it.
Oh, good. Good.
That bad will last you all day as long as you got chew on it.
You ain't eat one. Gonna last you about an hour.
I think these are gonna be good.
Something that, because I don't.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, hell
I wasn't expecting that.
no. Oh,
Give it a little squeeze and got chocolate
Yeah.
on the inside.
It got like a freshly baked taste to
It
it.
wasn't bad.
I ain't gonna lie, the
I taste that
Nutella one
with
in it, I
cookie.
probably would eat
The cookie part tastes good.
The good part.
Yeah.
That Nutella just throw me off.
I give that a 7.5. Pretty
I
good.
would say
Same.
7.
I give it a 7.
Gotta give it.
Maybe not you.
I give it a 4.
Hey,
Oh, you trying to wait?
I already know.
I give it a 10.
What's that, 7? I give it a 7.
would I eat them on a regular note? But if somebody had it at their house, I would get some.
Yeah, it probably take me a month to eat them.
Yeah.
What you just say? No, it's
I think it's
pineapple.
ginger ale, pineapple ginger ale.
Ginger ale.
I thought it was.
Say hey. Say hey.
All right, everybody here? We ready? Y'all ready?
All right, go ahead. 3, 2, 1, go.
That's good.
That's good.
There
That's
you
really
That's your
good.
last sip?
It
do taste like
real though.
Right, but it tastes like
It tastes like Fanta.
It tastes like the pineapple.
It tastes like
Fanta.
pineapple Fanta.
It do, but
I
it
don't
look
really
different.
taste the ale.
It do.
And I definitely don't taste the ginger.
Ratings.
That is
Ratings.
10. I buy this. I buy this.
I was
I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna give it probably like a 4.
Golly, you're very strict. You're like Simon on American
But I'm
Idol.
not gonna lie, I could do without. It just tastes like pineapple juice to me.
Y'all can do a lot without a lot of things.
Right. What's something wrong with y'all?
Get out. Get out.
It don't hit.
I would mix this.
Cause I feel
I'm
like
gonna give it a 9.
That's what I was going
I'll give it a
It's
9.
a
I give it
10.
about an 8.
I give it a 10.
10.
Y'all say 8.5.
I say an 8. Just because.
It's good though.
Oh, we ready for the Pringles?
Yeah, I think it's time. It just caught them off guard.
This don't even look like Pringles.
That Pringles small?
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
That shit was good.
My rating on those 3.
I give them a 10.
2.
They don't know all that.
I'm gonna say an 8.
6.
9.8.
6.
You go with an 8.
Me, what you thought?
The flavor good. I give it a 7.
And y'all try the Mountain Dew first or the Pepsi first?
Pepsi.
Pepsi, yeah. It do smell like regular Pepsi to me.
You can smell a little.
Yeah, it smells like regular Pepsi.
Yeah, it does. I smell like a little hint of something.
Yeah,
I can't pinpoint it.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's flat.
Oh.
What flavor this is?
It's flat.
Lime.
It look like lime.
That is. It's lime.
I can taste that, yeah.
That's not lime.
That
It
ain't
tastes like,
But I can taste
it tastes like
Hair.
That's not
Sprite Pepsi.
It's like bleach.
That's not.
But I'm
That's
getting
not
a.
lime. That is not lime.
How rating this?
It's
You going with a 5.
6.
Yeah.
I give it a 5.
I give it a 6.
I'll say 4.
I'm gonna give it about 6. Carl, what your rating is?
This is like something my granddad would be drinking.
It's like a 5.
Nate, you said 5?
4.
Okay. Pretty fair. Anywho,
What's we doing this?
Mountain Dew time, and then we're gonna go to the ghost pepper, and then we're gonna all have these ready just in case we need it.
It's Tylenol.
3,
But it smells like
2, 1, go.
Let's go.
What in the world?
This tastes like
It don't even
Tylenol.
got that much fizz.
It's flat.
Ooh, this tastes like
It's flat
Tylenol.
and it don't got that much flavor as much as it smells.
I don't like that.
It's like.
I don't know.
It's like ratings 2,
2, 3.
I give it a 9.
1.
I give it a
9.
I give it a 9.
Yeah, I say 3.
I like
1.
it.
I give
That's
it
crazy.
4.
Alright,
This I like.
let's hope these meet our expectations. They say ghost pepper on it. I don't know if y'all seen that one chip challenge that I did.
I'm gonna reconsider in this right here.
Smell.
No, this smells like noodles.
Smell the grass. Smell
And
the
you
grass.
smell like
It's like teriyaki in the bowl. What do you call it?
3, 2, 1, go.
Spicy.
Oh, did that heat go?
What in the world?
What's spicy?
Oh.
Hey.
Hey, come on. Nope.
There go that heat.
That do got some heat in it.
You can't stop the rain. You can't.
Ooh, that's some.
That's that shit.
That's some
Because
heat.
what I was eating it.
It ain't that hot,
I like
but
that
the
though.
speed.
That is
Yes,
hot.
they
The heat came faster than what I thinking.
That first bite.
Big man.
Now we're gonna keep to it. Now we're gonna keep to it.
Alright.
They tried the juice. They tried
They're
the
gonna try the Tropicana juice.
It's like, for some reason, it felt like it said.
Alright, 3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
I say go.
I like it.
It tastes like.
I like those.
It's like cranberry.
That's not why.
That's what that's like.
That
After the
drink,
second-
why
after the
not
second
this drink is
drink.
not drink then?
like
It's a put my children in the book.
That's all the snacks we done had. What was y'all favorite thing out of everything we had?
To the one.
These or the Oreos?
Hey, it's one of these Lay's chips.
Oh yeah, we didn't even get to try these.
Those for me and Mia, bro. Those for me and Mia.
Giant Skittles.
We'll tell y'all how they taste. Honestly, the ghost pepper one probably had the most flavor out of all of them. Most underrated one, probably the peach Oreos, probably. Underrated, like
I love it. I gave that a 10. I
I think
like
peach
those.
Oreos wasn't that bad.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if y'all want us to do another part 3, let us know.
Oh my god. Why be someone else when you can be you? Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, I did.
Pull up, park it in the front. Hop out, putting on the blunt. Fucking up money just for fun.